Hey guys, welcome back. Just to get myself used to being in front of the camera and recording for you guys again, I'm making something really easy today because I don't want it to be too long again before I come back and start recording. I hope you like this video. Without talking too much, let's just get right to it. I am making chicken noodle soup and I'm adding some hot chicken to it. You can use the regular chicken from the store if you don't want to go through the process of cooking it. I added 1 cup of liquid to the meat. I'll just set the liquid to the side here. This is the hard chicken we usually get from the Asian or African store. That's why I have to pressure cook it. So I'm just peeling off all the meat off the bone. I'll go with the most fleshy ones. I'll save that one for another soup. So I think this is good for those college kids who, you know, times are hard, trying to save money. You don't want to spend too much on meals. So instead of just eating the noodles as is, because it's obviously not a meal, adding meat to get that protein in is good. And add some other stuff too, you know, juice it up. Make it more than just noodles. Since I'm going with just 1 packet of noodles, I will just be using a little bit of this chicken, like this right here. I think that's enough. Just pull all the flesh off of the bone. I prefer this type of chicken because it's tastier. It does take longer, but it tastes better. So I just bring the chicken broth to a boil, and I add the rest of the seasoning that came with the noodle. It's the chicken flavor. Now that the broth is boiling, I add the noodles. It's just Maruchan ramen noodle. And the pieces of chicken to cook with it. You can even add some vegetables on the side to make it even more of a meal. Noodles typically take about 3 to 4 minutes to cook. So I just let this boil until the noodles are done. I add 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for color and a little bit of spiciness. This one is optional. And a little bit of parsley. That's it, y'all. Just your regular noodles with chicken added. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.